Hey, Midland Exteriors here. It's great that you want to know which windows are best for your home. If you like the design of double hung replacement windows in Lee's Summit, Kansas, we can help you weigh the pros and cons. How's your home's ventilation? Some homeowners in Lee's Summit, Kansas find that double hung windows are ideal for their family, as they could open the window sashes independently of each other, allowing for better airflow and ventilation. Are you tired of having to climb a ladder outside your home to clean the exterior window panes? If so, you'll love double hung styled windows. Due to their ability to tilt the panes inward, you can clean the interior and exterior without having to go outside. Speaking of going outdoors, we know keeping your home safe from outside dangers is essential. We ensure that the seal on all double hung replacement windows we install in Tarrant County is airtight, preventing unauthorized entry without alerting your family. How do you feel about moving someday? If you want to refresh your home and boost its property value in Lee's Summit, Kansas, double hung windows are a fantastic choice. We would like to mention that some homeowners note that the double hung windows weren't as energy efficient as other windows due to the double pane openings. That may be the case with so-called window installation experts, but with our crew, you'll get the best seal possible. Whether you want double hung windows or something else, we've got you covered. Contact Midland Exteriors for a free estimate.